Today morning, I was talking to one of my students. So he has taken a quiz. It was a timed quiz. But in the quiz, he was rushing. It was a reading comprehension quiz. And he was just reading. He was not trying to understand what he's reading. And it took around 6 minutes to read the passage. And normally, when a student gives a quiz, I ask them to do a screen recording of that and they speak while giving the quiz. So today morning we were having a discussion, how things went during the quiz. So he said when he's practicing without time, he's getting almost all the questions right. But when there is a time pressure, somehow, there is a rush to just get over with it. So I asked him when he's not doing practice without time, so how much time does it take to solve the passage? So he said it takes around 8 to 9 minutes to solve a passage which has around 4 to 5 questions. So I said that you're taking the same amount of time whether you're doing without time pressure or with time pressure. Now this is the most important thing that we need to understand. We always keep blaming the time. Of course, time is there. But the problem is not time. Problem is our concentration. So because when we are solving the question or we are reading the passage, at that time we are thinking, oh, I have to get over with it. Though you are reading the same thing in next 5 minutes, you'll be reading the same, probably, reading it 2 times, 3 times. But you're not reading to understand because you're in a rush. So in both the cases, when you read to understand, second, you're just reading it without understanding because you'll be reading the same thing 2 or 3 times. So that means you're taking the same amount of time. The only thing you need to learn is to learn to concentrate when you're doing it because you will take the same amount of time. So if you keep blaming the time, you'll always be in a rush. And rush is not because of time. Rush is because of your lack of focus or lack of concentration. So tell yourself, okay, I just need to get involved with this irrespective how much time it takes. Once you start solving the question with that kind of understanding, so you just get involved with the passage. Once you get involved with the passage, you read it very quickly. So stop blaming time and focus on concentration. So once you learn to concentrate, automatically you will start getting questions right. So stop blaming time for that rush or something. It's not time, it's your distraction. Thank you.